Hello and welcome to Just the Chords. This is an episode of Taylor Swift Music Theory, a series that seeks to teach us easy music theory concepts through Taylor Swift songs we all know and love. In today's episode, we'll be focusing on keys, key signatures, major versus minor, and we'll be using Taylor Swift songs like Style, Down Bad, No Body, No Crime, It's Nice to Have a Friend, and I Hate It Here. Make sure to click like or subscribe if you're new to this channel so you can have access to all of our tutorials, Taylor Swift music theory episodes, and more. So talking about major keys where things sound bright and happy and light versus minor keys where things sound a little bit more darker and broodier, Taylor uses these really expertly to craft the emotion of her songs, or even sometimes to give us the opposite emotion versus the major or minor feel, to give us a lot of that uneasiness or duality. It's whatever emotion she's after, she can totally pick with the major or minor keys. That is Style from 1989. Starts in a minor key, very broody, dark sounding chords, and then moves to major as we get to that more uplifting chorus. Take a listen. As you can see, above each measure there are letters. When it has a small M on it, like the B M, that means it's B minor. And that's how we know they're minor chords. Listen from the top of this page. At midnight, you come and pick me up, no headlights. Minor chord on long drive. And in burning flames, oh paradise. Next page, I'm skipping to the third line. Look at our E minor on. And I should just tell you to leave, cause I know exactly where it leads, but I'll just go round and round each major chord. As I flip the page then and we get into the chorus, we see all major chords, no minors. All major. All major. Gives us that happy, excited feeling. Let's look at another song. Looking at Down Bad, it's a song we might expect to be in minor because it's about being down and upset and brooding, but it's not. It's mostly major chords, except for when that A minor sneaks in there. We always need a little bit of balance between the major and minor chords, but in this major key of C, we get 3 out of 4 chords in the pattern major. Major, major, minor. When we go to the chorus, we see that same pattern again. Looking at the second line of this page, now I'm down bad, crying at the gym. Major, major, minor, then major. Right? Here's the minor. It's darker. Looking at a song like No Body, No Crime, a song about murder and darkness and heavy things, so we do put this one in a minor key as expected. Taking a look at this page, right at the top, at the I Think He Did It, we see 2 minor chords for every major chord. Ignoring the guitar chords at the very top, but looking at the ones right above the piano writing, I see a G minor, I think he's C minor, E flat. Again, it's G minor, C minor, E flat. We get all that heavy darkness in this minor key of No Body, No Crime. Another song in minor, which aren't very many in Taylor Swift's discography, is It's Nice to Have a Friend from Lover. This song has even been used in the horror movie trailer for Megan, if you remember. It had that kind of high hauntingness, which is interesting because it's a song about nice things, but the fact that it's in minor kind of gives people the heebie-jeebies on this. Remember at the beginning we have the oohs like... C minor. And then it continues in minor. minor. With just those two chords, we can go back and forth, and it sounds kind of like an uncertainty, kind of like in childhood where we don't understand things. Minor, major, minor, major. A fun trick there. When we look at a song like I Hate It Here, that could be one we expect to be in minor, but once again, we get that crazy, unexpected flip. It's in major. So, even though we're singing about something sad and down, we hear happy chords underneath us to kind of give that opposite effect. Listen to that at the chorus on this page, starting on the second line. I hate it here, so I will go to secret gardens in my mind. People need a key to get to. The only one is mine. I read about it in a book when I was a precocious child. No mid-sized city hopes and small town fears. I'm there most of the year 'cause I hate it here. All major chords except for that C sharp minor. We have like one there just to balance it out a little, but major takes the cake on that one. So that was 5 different Taylor Swift songs, and looking at their keys in major and minor to hopefully give you a better idea of that musical concept by ear and by sight. We looked at Style, which started in minor and then went to major by the chorus, gave us kind of a cool flip there. We looked at Down Bad, a major song even though we expected it to be in minor. We then looked at No Body, No Crime, Dark, Crime, Murder, a minor song indeed, and kept it minor for It's Nice to Have a Friend, right? A song about happy things, but yet sounds sad, the opposite of what we had before. And then the last one we looked at was I Hate It Here, a song where it was actually in major, happy key, but about sad things. So we got an interesting sampler of major versus minor and how it played out into all the emotions of those songs. Thank you for joining us today. Take a look at our subscription levels. I will put the membership benefits on the screen and a link so you can join and sign up for that as you please. I'll see you on the next video.